We'll guide you through how to use templates in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs in your web browser. Once you're on the main page, you need to look for the Template Gallery button, usually located on the top right side of the page. Click on it, and you'll see a wide range of templates available for different purposes like resumes, reports, letters, and more. Browse through the options and click on the one that suits your needs. When you click on a template, it will open a new document based on that template. Now, you can start editing the template to fit your specific requirements. Replace placeholder text with your own content, and make any necessary changes to the formatting, fonts, or colors. If you want to change the template after you've started editing, simply go back to the main Google Docs page. Open the template gallery again, and select a different template. Remember, using templates can save you a lot of time and effort, especially when you're starting a document from scratch. Once you're done with your edits, you can go ahead and save your document by clicking on File then Download if you want to save it in a different format, or simply share it directly through Google Docs by clicking on the Share button. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.